Hi, welcome to another ArcGIS tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to increase the pixel size of a raster using a technique called resampling with the help of ArcGIS as our primary GIS tool. So let's get started. So I'm going to go ahead and import the raster first. Okay, now if I zoom in a little bit until I can start seeing the pixels, maybe I could change the color scheme so that it'll be more visible. Alright, now you can see that actually we can start seeing the pixels. So what I'm going to do over here is I'm going to take this measure tool and I'm going to measure the pixel size over here just by drawing a horizontal line, and you can see that it's roughly around 30 meters. The pixel size is about 30 meters by 30 meters. You can also go to the properties of the raster, and over here under the cell size you can see that the pixel has a resolution of 30 meters by 30 meters. So for this tutorial, the technique that I'm going to use is called resampling. Now there could be a couple of reasons why you would want to decrease the resolution of your raster by increasing the pixel size. For example, if you're planning to use this DEM in a 3D numerical model, you know that the more precise, the more accurate the data is, the higher the computational time gets. So you might want to reduce the resolution of the raster by a little bit so that it will aid in reducing your computational time. And that's just one reason why you would want to increase the pixel size. So let's go ahead and go to the search panel and type resample over here. Go to resample, data management, and you can just drag and drop your input raster, and over here by default it'll show you the original pixel size. So for this tutorial I'm going to increase the pixel size to be 150 by 150 meters. And the resampling technique, I'm going to use the nearest neighbor, and if you would like to know more information about the different resampling techniques, you can actually click on the show help and it will show you actually what is the definition of each of these resampling technique. So for this tutorial I'm going to use the nearest neighbor and click OK. Alright, now this is our resampled raster. I'm just going to zoom in again, and using the measure tool now I'm going to roughly draw a horizontal line to measure the distance from point A to point B. To measure the distance, and as you can see it's roughly about 150 meters. And if you go to the properties over here, you can see that the cell size now has been increased to 150 by 150. So that's about it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed, and thank you for watching.